2018, Emerson's facility in Cluj, Romania expanded its flow meter production capabilities by adding ultrasonic manufacturing lines for gas and liquid products. In addition to localized expertise, access to engineering, customer support, and in-house facilities for traceable calibration, customers in Europe, Middle East, and Asia-Pacific will also benefit from faster delivery times. Emerson's proprietary and state-of-the-art manufacturing processes ensure the utmost integrity and measurement accuracy for every meter we produce.
Welcome to Cluj. Here we have different flow meters production lines, as well as other measurement equipment, including analytical devices, final control elements, and control systems manufacturing, all in one place. Please come with me and I will take you behind the scenes of the ultrasonic flow meter manufacturing.
Continuous quality review is part of each step of the process, starting with high-quality castings or forgings direct from the foundry, followed by precision machining in a top-of-the-line CNC machine. The 6-axis CNC machine transforms a raw casting into a highly accurate meter body with accurately machined flanges and bolt holes. From there, the meter body goes to the CMM machine, where it is measured to ensure it meets manufacturing tolerances so that it can meet required performance specifications. After a meter body is painted, all components are brought together for final assembly. And finally, the meter is tested using nitrogen to confirm that all the configuration data and geometry is correct. Here you see the 8-path meter, which meets OIML R137 Class 0.5 with only 5D upstream straight run, without flow conditioner, for all flow disturbances without exceptions, limitations or compromises. At the Cluj facility, we offer the widest range of ultrasonic meters.
As the ultrasonic transducer is the heart of the meter, accurate, repeatable and reliable production techniques are essential in manufacturing the innovative 3D printed titanium mini horn array transducers, using one of the most advanced additive manufacturing technologies. Each transducer is tested at multiple points throughout the creation process to ensure that it meets the highest quality assurance standards. Besides this, all our flow meters are manufactured with the state-of-the-art machining and technologies such as robotic welding, offering to our customers speed and flexibility. This is what makes us great, and this is what makes me enjoy working at Emerson.
The Emerson manufacturing facility in Cluj, Romania, including its water calibration facility, is designed to meet our customers' needs with efficiency, quality service, and fast turnaround times. We can't wait to work with you. To learn more about Emerson's ultrasonic flow meters, please visit www.emerson.com.